Selecting plunge and start curves has been made even easier in FeatureCamp 2014 when working in the 2.5D module. Previously you needed to know the name of the curve and then would have to type that name in the chosen field in order to use it. This process has been greatly improved by simply allowing you to click on the desired curve either through the part view or in the graphic interface. In this example you can see we've got a number of pre-created features. We have an outer side and we have an inner side with multiple pocket regions. In this case I want to control where the start and plunge is occurring within my part. If I go to the rough area, I'm just going to preview this toolpath, just do a single step, and then using the Alt F3 you can see where my plunge location is in each case. What I want to do is plunge into the centre of these pockets. So let's eject that, bring that back. What I want to do is generate a curve. Now if you go to the curves area, we've already got the curves pre-created. You'll notice we have one here called curve plunge. In this case the only thing we're concerned with is the end points and midpoints of this curve. I can go into the feature, into the rough, into the plunge tab, and you'll notice under plunge points there is a new button here that allows you to go and pick the geometry. In this case I can go and select directly from the part view and select that curve plunge. You'll note the blue markers indicate where the plunge is going to occur. We can apply, preview that toolpath, again single step. You'll now notice the tool is above that plunge point. If I choose my Alt F3, you can see in each case we're now plunging into the centres of those pockets. This process can also be repeated for the finishing operation. Note I can use a similar process for selecting the plunge points. I can also use a start point. In this case you can see we've got an additional curve. It says finish start, and in this case I'm going to say show selected so that I can see this on the screen. And under the finish tab, under the plunge, I can go and select this directly from the graphic screen like so. Choose apply, preview the toolpath, and again you'll notice the start positions will now be where that curve location is. This just makes the process a lot easier when doing any kind of 2.5D machining.